Most water systems in this area were constructed, put in place, and forgotten about. Louisiana Department of Health and Hospitals came out to the site, and during a sanitary survey, they said that, hey, you guys may want to give some attention to some of your ground storage tanks in the near future. Maguire put together a proposal that was very pleasing to the council and the parish president. And rather than absorbing all the costs at one time, they were able to spread the cost of the projects, not project, but projects over a period of time, and made it very affordable for the parish. A lot of the parishes are running with very limited budgets, so to speak. With this program, it allowed you to spread things over a time period. We had multiple ground storage tanks that needed attention. The most serious one was done on the front end. Then we did a tower inspection, clean out, pressure wash. The third phase of the project was a second ground storage tank that was in need of repairs. The tops of the tanks were in pretty bad shape. The sides of the tanks were in fairly good shape, but the tops, being just exposed to moisture continuously, was suffering some major decay. So in the proposal, it was to replace the tops of the tanks and make any repairs to the walls and the floors that appeared to be compromised. The work that was performed was top shelf. They presented when I say a turnkey package, it was turnkey. They do all the engineering, all the permitting, any type of regulatory information that is needed on the front end to do a project was taken care of by Maguire. It was turnkey.